Hello students, today we are going to discuss regarding the cubic crystal structure. Cubic crystal structures are one of the crystal structure under the Bravais lattice, and under this cubic crystal structure we will discuss three possible crystal lattices, and they are simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic. And for this, so to study these three cubic structures, we have to discuss certain parameters associated with this. That is, we will calculate these parameters associated with each crystal structure. We will calculate the number of atoms or ions per unit cell. So what are the number of atoms or ions in unit cell? So in any type of unit cell, whether it is simple cubic or body centered cubic or face centered cubic, we have to calculate what is the atomic contribution there. That is, total number of atoms present inside one type of unit cell will calculate for each cubic structure. Then we will calculate the coordination number. Under coordination number, we will calculate the number of nearest neighbors of atoms or ions of a particular atom. That is, what are the number of nearest neighbor for a particular atom or ion. Then we will calculate the atomic radius r. So what is this atomic radius r? That is the radius of atom. And here we will calculate atomic radius in terms of the lattice parameter A. A is the side of the cube of the unit cell. So we will calculate atomic radius r in terms of A, that is the lattice parameter, that is the cube base. And then we will calculate the atomic packing factor for each of this type of cell. That is, what is this atomic packing factor? That is what is the volume occupied by atoms in a unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So now let us go to different types of these crystals. So first of all, we will see the simple cubic structure. Under this simple cubic structure, first of all, we will calculate what is the number of atoms in simple cubic structure. So what is simple cubic structure? In case of simple cubic structure, so this is the unit cell of the simple cubic structure, and in this unit cell, all the atoms are lying at the corners. And as we know, there are 8 corners of the cube and 8 atoms are lying at the corners, but each atom is shared by 8 different unit cells. So each of the corner atom is shared among different unit cell and 8 number of unit cell. So atomic contribution of this particular atom for this particular unit cell is 1 by 8, as because it is shared among 8 different unit cells. So atomic contribution of this atom for this unit cell is 1 by 8. As there are 8 corners are there, so number of atoms in this simple cubic unit cell equals to 8 into 1 by 8, that value equals to 1. So number of atoms per unit cell of this simple cubic lattice equals to 1. Okay. So because each atom is shared by 8 different unit cells, so atomic contribution of every atom equals to 1 upon 8. So for 8 different atoms, the total contribution equals to 1. Now let us see this figure. In this figure we can see, let us see in the simple cubic, the atoms are, suppose we are considering 2 atoms at these 2 corners. So let us see, this atom is at this position and this atom is at this position. So let us take r is the atomic radius. So for this simple cubic lattice, we can see this is A equals to 2r. So A equals to 2r, that is r equals to atomic radius r equals to A upon 2. A is the side of the cube. Since these 2 atoms are in close contact with each other, we can say this is r equals to A by 2. That is the half of the cube base. Now let us see what is the coordination number of this simple cubic lattice. So coordination number is the number of nearest neighbor of this. Let us consider this particular atom or ion in this simple cubic lattice. Now let us consider this atom. So where where are the nearest neighbor of this atom are lying? Let us see. For this atom, this is one of the nearest neighbor, and there is another unit cell also below this. Since it is crystal structure, we are considering these two unit cells, and there are different unit cells also above it's above and also below these two unit cells. So you can see, suppose you can considering this atom. For this atom, this is one neighbor, and another one neighbor will lie just below it. So this is first one and 2, and this is also one of the neighbor, and also behind this another unit cell is there, so you will get another neighbor behind this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and again you can see from this figure, this is one neighbor is here and another neighbor is here. So total coordination number equals to 6 for this simple cubic lattice. Okay, that is nearest neighbor for any atom inside this simple cubic lattice will be equals to 6. Okay, now let us calculate the atomic packing factor, that is we are writing that as APF. So what is this atomic packing factor? That is what is the volume occupied by the atom divided by volume of the unit cell. Now what is here you are writing that equals to APF equals to N into volume of the atom. So what is N? That is what is the total atomic contribution for this unit cell. That value N equals to 1. So we can write APF equals to N equals to 1, volume of atom equals to 4 by 3 into pi r cube upon volume of the unit cell equals to A cube. So we can write this that equals to 1 into 4 by 3 pi A by 2 cube upon A cube. A cube and A cube being cancelled out, we are getting pi by 6, and that value equals to 0.52. We are getting atomic packing factor for this equals to 0.52. So what it implies? This implies that 52% of unit cell is occupied by the atom. Okay, that is, out of all this atom inside the unit cell, 52% is occupied. That implies another 48% is remaining void, remaining vacant. So this is the packing factor for this simple cubic cube. Now let us consider the second type of cubic structure, that is the body centered cubic, or this is known as BCC. And for this BCC, body centered matlab, what it implies? Body centered implies there are the atoms are lying at the as you discussed in the simple cubic, atoms are also lying in the corners. 8 atoms are lying in the corners, that is atomic contribution of each corner is 1 by 8. Because of 8 corners, we will get 1 atom from corner atoms, and at the center of the cube, another atom is lying. So total number of atoms in the BCC unit cell equals to 1 plus 1. 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1, that equals to 2. So for this N equals to 2. And what is this? Let us see this coordination number for this BCC structure. So what is coordination number? That is the nearest neighbor, and for this it is very simple. We can see the coordination number for this BCC is very simple. You can say, as you can see, this is the corner atom, and this corner atom is having all the neighbors lying here in the corners. So sorry, this is the center atom. For the center atom, all these neighboring atoms are lying at the edges and at the corners. So for this center atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all are the nearest neighbors. So coordination number for this atom equals to 8. In case of BCC, coordination number equals to 8. Now let us calculate a relation between this atomic radius R and this cube base A. Now you can see, let us see this figure. In this figure, what we are observing, so this is the cube we are considering, and inside this cube, this is the AB is side AB equals to A and side BC equals to A. So we can calculate this AC equals to, from right angle triangle rule, we can calculate this equals to root over 2 into A. Okay. So now let us see how this atomic arrangement is there in case of body centered cubic. So you can see one atom is there at the corner and another atom is there at the corner. So radius of atom here is r, and this body centered atom is lying in between. Okay, so we have to calculate this distance. So what is this distance? This distance AG. We can calculate this distance AG from this right angle triangle. So what is this right angle triangle? For this right angle triangle ACG, you can see this is GC equals to A and this AC equals to A root 2 as you calculated here, and so we can show what is the value of this AG. AG will be equals to AC square plus GC square under root, that equals to 2A square plus A square, that equals to under root 3 into A. Now from this side we can indicate that, we can see that this distance is R, atomic radius is here is R, and here the whole atom is there. So this distance is diameter, that will be 2R, and this distance equals to R. So you can see AG will be equals to R plus 2R plus R, and that value equals to 4R. And here we calculated AG equals to root 3A. So we can equate these two. So we can write 4R equals to root 3 into A, or we can write R equals to under root 3 upon 4 into A. So this is the relation between R and A for this body centered cubic. Okay. Now let us calculate the atomic packing factor. So what is the atomic packing factor for this? That will be same formula as earlier, that equals to N into number of atoms into volume of atom upon volume of the unit cell. So here what are the number of atoms? N equals to 2 here. Volume of the atom, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So where 2 into 4 by 3 pi into root 3 by 4 A cube upon volume of unit cell is A cube. So you will get this value as root 3 upon 8 into pi, and that value equals to 0.68. Hence we can say that 0.68 atomic packing factor, 0.68, what it implies? That is 68% volume of the unit cell is occupied by the atom. That is remaining 32% is void, or that is remaining vacant. So 68% is the atomic packing factor for the BCC crystal. Now let us see that for the third type, that is for the face centered cubic. So what is this face centered cubic? This is known as FCC. So what happens in case of FCC? Why it is said to face centered? Here where the atoms are lying, let us see that thing. So atom are lying initially as in simple cubic and BCC. Here also atoms are lying at the corner of the cube of a unit cell. Okay. And what about face? And as we know, in a cube 6 faces are there, and every face having one atom. Okay. So every face, top, bottom and 4 sides, all are having one atom each. So and each atom of particular face, that is shared among the 2 unit cell. Suppose this is one of the face atom, one atom is at the center of the face, and this is contributing towards this cube, and also towards this unit cell, and also towards this opposite unit cell. Similarly, this atom on this face is shared by this unit cell and also a one unit cell which is lying this side. Okay. So each face atom is contributing half of the atom towards one side. And so what is the total number of atomic contribution? That is 1 by 8 into 8 because of the corner atoms, and also because of 6 faces, half atom for each face. So we can write 6 into 1 by 2 for the face centered atom. Okay. So total is 1 from the corner atoms, 3 for the 6 faces. So total atomic contribution equals to 4. So we are writing N equals to 4 for this FCC crystal. Okay. Now let us see this coordination number. So what is coordination number again? That is what is the nearest distance, the nearest neighbor of each atom. So let us consider this is one particular atom. Let us calculate the nearest neighbor for this. So what is nearest neighbor for this? The nearest neighbor for this will be equals to, as it is lying here at this face, for this face the atoms are lying. This is the one is for this atom is half of this atom is for this cube and half for this cube, and whatever this atom is lying on this face, for this atom the face center atom of this face and this face are the two nearest neighbors, and similarly for this these are the two neighbors. So here you are indicating this side as 1 and 2 for this face, and accordingly the front and back side of this unit cell, they are also contributing towards this. So we can indicate this equals to 1 and this is 2, and here you are indicating by that by means of 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 1 and 2 are for the 1, 2, 3, 4 front back, that is for 4 faces 4. Similarly for this cell we are also 4 faces. One is for top and another is for top, one is for the front, another is for the back. So 9 and 11 for the front and top and bottom, and this is 10 and 12 are for the front and back of this unit cell. So, and also for this 4 corner atoms are neighbor of this atom. So this face center atoms are having 4 neighbors at the corners. 5, 6, 7, 8 are the 4 corner atoms for this face, and from this cube for the face centered atoms for this cube we are getting another 4 and here another 4, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4. So coordination number equals to 12 for this FCC lattice. Now what is the atomic radius for this? We will get this value equals to R equals to A upon 2 root 2. Now let us see how we are getting this thing. Very simply you can calculate this thing. So let us see, this is the for this face A, B, C, D, face centered atom is, this is the face centered atom, and what we are getting, this is one atom is at the corner, another is at the corner, so that this is the this AC you can see that equals to R, this distance is R, and this atomic radius is 2R, and this distance equals to R. So this AC will be equals to R plus 2R plus R. So we can write from figure AC equals to R plus 2R plus R, that equals to 4R. Now let us see this triangle. In this right angle triangle ABC, we know that AB equals to A, BC equals to A, and AC will be equals to, what will be the value of AC? And for right angle triangle, this is A and A, so this will be equals to under root 2 into A. Okay, so if we get this under root 2A for this AC, and now we got this equals to 4R. So if you equate these two, we can write 4R equals to root 2A, or R equals to root 2 upon 4 into A, R equals to A upon 2 root 2. So what is the atomic packing factor? What is atomic packing factor for this FCC crystal? For this APF equals to number of atoms into volume of atom upon volume of unit cell. So what is the value of N here? N equals to 4, and that is equals to 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube. R equals to A upon 2 root 2, that will be A upon 2 root 2 cube upon A cube, that equals to pi upon 3 root 2, that equals to 0.74. We are getting this value equals to 0.74. So what it indicates, that is APF atomic packing factor equals to 0.74 implies 74% of the volume of the FCC unit cell is occupied by atoms, and remaining 26% of volume is vacant or void. Okay, so we can say that is the occupancy of this is largest among all the structures. So generally this structure is considered also as a closed pack structure. Okay, so this is the atomic packing factor is maximum for FCC, that's why it is also called a closed pack structure.